All right, guys, so we are going to be talking about the IdOS airdrop TGE date on this particular video. So looking over here from our Telegram channel, you can see I have already dropped the update saying that the TGE date is going to be taking place on March 5th 2026. All right, so we have about January, February, February, March. Okay, we have approximately 1 month to farm this particular airdrop before it all comes to an end. Okay, so but what you need to do right now is very easy. So now we are going to be confirming if this date is right on this particular video. So let's get started right now. Okay, so starting right here on the community, let me show you something real quick. Okay, let me show you something. Oh my god, just bear with me, let me get this out. Boom. So here we are. I want to be showing you something here. Okay, so let's start from the website first. So looking over here, you can see that we have a lot of tasks going on right here, which even I haven't completed. That is because it has been a little while that I opened their website, but right now is the time to take this project as serious as never before. So right now, go ahead and complete all these tasks to stay eligible. Most importantly, make sure that you have connected your wallets. All right, so there are some certain wallets that you need to have connected, and also make sure you have done your KYC. So if you haven't done your KYC, then you are not doing it right. So go right now. I made an entire video about how to do your KYC. So if you have not yet done your KYC, it is very important that you do your KYC. Okay, so with that being said, guys, let's go back to this point system. Okay, so over here on the point system, complete as many tasks as possible. Now take your daily check-in very seriously. So let's now go and talk about the major thing right here. Over here, just 1 day ago, they made an announcement talking about the IdOS launch. So let's open this article up right now. Okay, let's open it up real quick. Okay, so here we are, guys. So they said right here, this is a marketing communication white paper here, not reviewed or approved by any EU authority. Issuer solely responsible. So right now they are actually talking about the token, and of course they are talking about the step forward. But most important thing that I need to talk about right here, so that the video won't be too long, is this. Okay, it says 100% on chain, 100% on-chain, 100% transparent mechanic, and 100% fair distribute based on preset rule without insider or side deal. They said right here, the IdOS CCA sale will take place between February 25th and March 5th. That is when they are going to be doing their, of course, their sale. Okay, and right now over here they say the IdOS token distribution event, which is of course when they are going to be having their token generation event. This is also called token distribution event, will happen once the sale is over. That is when this sale is over, that is when they are going to be having their token distribution. And the date that they revealed right here is of course 5th of March 2026. IdOS will seek admission to trading on both decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges following the TGE. So when they are on the 25th of this current February, they are going to be having their token sale, and it's going to last from 25th to the 5th of the next month, which is March. And after the sale ends, the next thing is token distribution event, and immediately after that comes the they'll be seeking the admission to trade on both decentralized exchange and centralized exchange. So right now you can participate on the CCA sale if you want to, but I'm only interested on the airdrop. Okay, so right now you have actually found out the time for the token distribution event, and of course you need to know that it's time for you to take the project as serious as never before. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, guys. So we are going to be talking on the next update that is going to be dropping very soon. So if you haven't yet joined our Telegram yet, the link is going to be right there on the video description box, and also do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll be talking to you very soon.